Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about initial exchange offering. An initial exchange offering, commonly referred to as a IEO, is a fundraising event that is administered by an exchange. It allows companies to raise capital by selling utility tokens on an exchange. Because of the cryptocurrency exchange performs due diligence on the offering to protect its customer and its reputation, IEOs are less risky investments than initial coin offerings, that is ICOs. In contrast to the initial coin offering, where the project team themselves conduct the fundraising, an initial exchange offering means that the fundraising will be conducted on a well-known exchange fundraising platform where users can purchase tokens with funds directly from their own exchange wallet. Though a bit expensive to list and also limited by the listing exchange reach and availability, IEOs come with their own advantages. Being listed on an exchange makes them more accessible and come with the increased trust factor of the exchange. They are also more secure and investors are vetted via stringent KYC process before transaction. The exchange also helps with marketing the offering, increasing the IEO's visibility and demand. Some popular fundraising platforms include Binance's Binance Launchpad and Bittrex International IEO. So this was all about initial exchange offering. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.